Yours.
That's a dog seat. You can stand and eat. They can't. Trust me.
You gotta pull the paper off.
No, wait a minute. Let's get this
We're
organized.
not gonna pull the paper off. Oh, we're not?
Okay.
Chelsea.
Val, come here. Val, come here.
Look.
I know you can sit and behave.
Molly, look. Hey,
Sit.
look.
Don't touch. No, not yet. Sit first. Don't touch. No. No. Wait. Just wait. Wait. Chelsea, come here.
Molly, right, leave it.
There.
Leave
Girl.
it. Molly doesn't have manners. She knows that.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Chelsea. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
She's so prim and proper.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my God! She's eating the paper. She's eating the whole freaking thing. Oh my gosh! Oh dear.
Good Chelsea. Good Chelsea.
This sure is a lot of icing.
Look at Chelsea. I'm weak.
Look at all of Bell's icing.
Bell's all on the table.
And underneath.
That'll be interesting poop, won't it?
Yay,
Oh, look at Molly. Can you get Molly?
Yay!
Hey, Molly. What did you ate yours, you silly dog?
Look.
Isn't that cute? Come on. There you go. Make a mess. Come on. It's like a little kid, you know, the 1-year-old birthday party. That's a good girl, Belle. Nick it. Come on. Clean up the table.
Look, there you go. Look at that. Oh, it's terrible.
Table. Oh, gosh. Look on the floor. Look everywhere.
Molly's
Look at
cleaning
the floor. Look.
Yay, what a good girl. She has crumbs. Look, finish. No offense, but this icing
Hey, honey.
is so sickening after a while.
She's yellow. Foaming yellow at the mouth.
You okay, Molly? You nervous? Look. It's okay. It's okay. Look. Right. Turn around here. There you go. Look. Now look up here. Molly. Okay, I'll just make it pop.
Good girl, Chelsea.
Here. Well, you want to look
Good.